Hi guys, so I heard about this thing called Thibra, which is new for me. I have done cosplays before, but nothing quite like this. So my goal is to make the most intricate and detailed cosplay that I've ever done. So I definitely want to show you how this works and the fact that you can use this with a hairdryer. Okay, so I'm not sure. Okay, so this is the first piece that I had ever done. I just did this a few minutes ago. This is called Thibra, and this is courtesy of Cosplay Supplies. So you want the kind of smooth part up, and you want the shiny side down. Stuff on that is power 1250, so let's turn it on low. All right, so there you have it. It doesn't look perfect, but for a start, for a very first project, it looks pretty good. So you can see the rough edges. So don't do what I did. I did not see that I had it laying off of the table, and you can tell like it's a little roughed up a little bit, but not too bad. You can see the edges, how they're not quite like right here. You want to make sure that you get just enough to curl it, so to curve it inward. So my problem was I didn't get it too I got it, I guess, too hot too fast, so it kind of melted through and it just kind of left like a papery thing. Let's see if I can find it. So it kind of had this like communion bread texture, and it's like, or like dry dead skin, you know. So kind of turned into that, and I was like, huh, okay. Be sure to check that out. That is Cosplay Supplies on Facebook, and be sure to share the word about this stuff. So I do recommend it. It's just, this is fun to work with. It's just a little bit difficult, and it would have helped if I had a little more experience with it. But yeah, I'm proud of it. So all right, we'll talk to you later.